Here is an activity book, students, for you, and there is a one activity about singular and plural. So let's see that what is inside the book. In this book we learn rules to form plurals, and the first rule is that is a very simple, and I am sure that all of are you well aware of this now rule, that add s. The first noun is week, and when we want to make plurals we simply add s. Like week is a singular noun, and when we add s it becomes weeks. The next one is boy. Boy is a singular noun, and when we add s with it, it becomes boys. Boy is a singular noun, and boys is a plural noun. The next one is tree. Tree is a singular noun, and to make it plural we simply add s with it and it becomes plural. Trees. Table. Tables. Okay students, are you clear? It is very easy. So let's move to the next page. The next rule is add es to singular nouns ending in ch, sh, s, double s or x. Remember students that whenever noun is end in ch, sh, s, double s or x, we simply add es to make plurals of those nouns. Like there are few nouns I have written. The first one is bush. You can see that at the end of this noun it is sh. So what we will add, students? Yes, we will add es. So it becomes bushes. The next one is box. At the end of this noun it is x. And when there is x at the end of noun we add es. So it becomes boxes. The next noun is match. And when we will make plurals we add es with it and it becomes matches. Match is a singular noun. Matches is a plural noun. The next one is bus. Bus is a singular noun and buses is a plural noun. Class. Class is a singular noun and classes are plural noun. Let's move to the next rule, and it is when a noun ends in f or ef, we drop f or ef and add ves. Like the noun is half. Half is a singular noun and it is f at the end of this noun. So we know that when any noun ends in f or ef, we drop f and add ves to make it plural. Half is a singular noun and halves is a plural noun. The next one is wolf. Wolf is a singular noun and at the end you can see that there is a f. So when we make plural of wolf, we add ves with it and it becomes wolves. Are you getting me, students? That's great. The next noun is thief. We will drop f and add ves, so it becomes thieves. Leaf. Leaves. So let's read one time more. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Thief, thieves. Leaf and leaves. Okay students, now let's move to the next page and see that what is written in the rule. So your next rule is when the noun ends in y, we drop the y and add ies. That's very interesting students, that like the first noun is baby. Baby is ending in y. So when we have to make plurals of baby, we drop y and add ies instead of y. So it becomes babies. Baby, babies. The next one is lady. We drop Y and what we add? Yes, we add IES, ladies. Fly, flies. Let's read it one time more. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Fly, flies. Is it clear, students? That's great. So let's move to the last rule. If there is a vowel before the Y, we add only S to the singular. Remember, students, that when there is a vowel before the Y, we add only S. Like tea is a singular noun and teas is a plural noun. Tea is a singular noun, although there is a Y at the end, but we will do not add IES because before Y there is vowel E, so simply we will add S to make it plural. Ray, rays. Ray, rays. Tray, trays. I hope, students, that you enjoyed a lot today's activity. So keep practicing to forming plurals from the singular nouns. You know that practice makes us perfect. Okay, students, take good care of yourself. Stay happy and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz, students.